What's up guys? Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang iting video na edit ko. Actually, that miniature airplane is really an inspiration to me on why I really love aviation. So, the video na ito, pag-usapan natin kung paano lumilipad ka ng plano. So, tara! Paano nga ba lumilipad yung mga eroplano? Balikan natin yung pinag-aralan natin dati nung high school pa tayo, yung Newton's Law. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For an airplane to fly in the air, there are forces acting upon it. An object will remain at rest unless a force is applied on it. So, ano ba mga forces nagre-react sa aircraft natin during flight? Meron tayong lift, weight, drag, and thrust. Unang-una sa lahat ay yung lift. Yung lift pushes a plane up in the air. Tapos, yung wings naman natin sa aircraft creates enough lift to overcome a plane's weight. How is lift generated? By means of pressure differential. The air pressure on top of the wing is less than the pressure below the wing, thus creates lift. The second one is weight. The plane's weight is a negative force pulling it down straight towards the earth. For example, meron tayong isang object, and that object, we push it to the edge of a flat surface. What will happen? It will fall, diba? And that is because of the Earth's gravitational force. The third one is drag. This is also a negative force caused by air resistance. It slows a plane down. What is air resistance? It is a frictional force that air pushes against any moving object. For example, if you put your hand out in the car and position it vertically facing the front of your car, you can feel air is pushing against your hand. But if you tilt your hand and position it horizontally, there is much less air resistance and is now more streamlined. To be exact, to form a curvature of a wing. At yung panghuli ay thrust. It pushes a plane through the air. Kailangan natin ng engine to create enough thrust to overcome sa plane's drag. Maraming types of engine of aircraft, but the most common for trainer aircraft is the horizontal opposed type engine. The engine of the aircraft is the one that propels the plane forward, and those four forces are the one that keeps the plane flying in the air. I believe I can fly.